Okay, this is the Toshiba dehumidifier model TDDP5012ES2, purchased from Home Depot exactly 13 months ago, and it's been failing over the last month at least. I have taken it out of its case, but connected the control panel so it can work, and set it up with a bucket for draining. Coils are spotlessly clean. I'm going to run it without a filter, so that can't be the problem. Everything else is in good working order. There's evidence of a slight leak down at the bottom there. I'm not sure what that's about. It's got a bluish color, like it had some minerals in it. So it might have ran over some copper. Otherwise, it's been running well for the year when it was working. Now it freezes up on the coils, and I'm going to make a time lapse of that.